Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing some squishy dares. So yeah, the first one is to tear open or just crack open a squishy. Let me go get the one that I'm going to crack open. So I got this. Oh, got it. Fail. Get it. Get it. My hair is a mess, I know. Dirty this morning. I don't know why. So ready? It's already defeated. It does at the bottom. Ready? There you go. Just defeated my squishy. Put that to the side. The next one is to sit on a squishy. So let me go get the one that I'm going to sit on. And it says for the whole video. I'm going to sit on it for the whole video. Yeah. This duck that I got from the mountains. So cute. So let's put it under my butt. And yeah, so the next one is, wait, hold on. So it's basically deformed. So I'm actually not going to be sitting on this one. I'm actually going to be sitting on another one. So let's go get that one. The one that I'm going to be sitting on is sitting on is this cake. It's very hard and hard to squish. So yeah. So the other one is to bite a squishy. So I'm gonna go get that one that I'm gonna bite. Okay, so I got this one. I'm gonna bite it. 3, 2, 1. Bit it. It's so wet. So, oh no, I need to get that one. Okay, the next one is like to put makeup on one. Get that one. I'm gonna put makeup on. Anyway, so let me go get it. The one that I'm going to be putting makeup on is this one. And, yeah. So let's put some lip gloss on it. I'm just putting, like, lip gloss on it because, so there's this lip. Here's my lip gloss. So, here. It smells really good now. So, there. The next one is next one is to put a ring over a very small one. So I'm gonna go get that. So guys, I have this one. I'm gonna put a ring over it. So I'm gonna get the ring. This ring is big enough. Put it over. And as you can see, I just did that, so yeah. Put it over there. And I'm still sitting on my cake. And so, the other one is to make a bun out of my hair with a squish. So I'm going to get that one that I'm going to be making. Bun out of my hair with a squishy. So this is going to be, I don't have a regular circle one. All it has is this one, but I already done something to it. But I'm going to be doing this koala. It's a very cute purple koala. Let me get a hair thing. I just use this one. I just use a scrunchie. If you don't know what a scrunchie is, this is what a scrunchie is. So I don't know how to do this. How do I do this? Oh, it might work. Okay, it kind of can fix this. I don't know. So, that's it on the side. So, and I'm actually still sitting on it. It's so flat. I can't even squish it. So the next one is to what's it? Oh, I'm gonna go see my phone. My phone is hollow, like bruh. So this is actually but it's to put lotion on. Yeah, I'm gonna go get that one. I'm going to get that lotion. I got this cloud one. I actually got some of these, well, most of these from a gas station. I know, it's crazy. Got this. Got some lotion. Ew. Put some on my finger. Going to be putting it on my squishy. Yay. So here's my squishy. Very slippery. So I'm gonna rub it all over my squishy. And as you can tell, I put lotion all over my squishy. Now I'm gonna go dry it off. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery now. So the final one is you gotta squishy. I don't want to squishy. No, so this one is relaxing. This one is to put a squishy in the freezer. I don't want to put a squishy in the freezer. But get that one. Now I'm gonna put a squishy in the freezer. I'm going to put it in the freezer. Put it in the freezer. Ooh. Watching SpongeBob. As you can see, it's I have this little corn. Going to put it in the freezer. That right there. Got the freezer. Take it, put it right there. And then shut it. Guess this gonna do the other there. Yeah. So the other dare is to cut squishy. Let's go to squishy. So let me go get some scissors. Let's go. Go get some scissors and yes, Mr. Daniels. I have a bunch. I have more of that. Be quiet. So, get my scissors. Where did my scissors go? Oh, my head hurts. I do not see my scissors. Let's see if they're here. Do you see any scissors? This is not a scissors, it's just a light. Here's some scissors. Found some. Some like that. Squishy. Squishy. I don't know what it's called. Squishy. Oh. So, get the scissors. Let's go cut the squishy. So cute penguin. Is that cute? Oh, it is cute, but it has no nose. So, I'm going to take this. 3, 2, 1. I don't want to. Is that cutting? So, ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I just cut my penguin's fin off. Now this little. Actually, I cut all of it off, so I don't want to do this. I'm doing it for YouTube. No. keeping this. I kept that. So here it is now. So here's the ones that I defeated. Bottom. There we go. Okay. Put lotion on. Yeah, still feels. Try to put a bun. What did I do to this one? I don't remember what I did to this one, but I know I did something. Oh yeah, I put a ring on it. Put lipstick on. And took a bite out of, oh my god. Oh. Here is my cake now. Let's go get that unicorn out of here. Let's see it's where milk spilled. So there's freezer. Yeah. Open it. Here is my squishy fan cold. As you can see, very cold. And yeah.